Mark Anderson, Rutherford Auto in Pickerington, Ohio.
Okay. What industry you're coming from?
Restaurant business.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Why'd you get into the collision business?
The hours were not very good, and I just kind of stumbled upon this.
And so new to the industry and only a few hours into your boot camp, tell me about the importance of repair planning or blueprinting or that initial estimate.
The accuracy is clearly the most important thing that's been pounded in good so far.
How does what you've learned this week affect everybody in the shop's job and how fast the car moves?
I mean, it's huge. Everyone on the same page, everyone being accurate, and everyone moving the car along is giant. One person misses a step, then everyone else is behind the 8 ball there.
Coming from about 3 hours away, talk about lodging and food and accommodations during your week stay in Cleveland.
The hotel was great. Connected right to Hyde Park Steakhouse, which they're happy hour there is absolutely amazing. The hotel's about 4 minutes away. Food was great.
Awesome.
Lunch has been good. Everything's been good.